Hey guys, get your cupcakes ready because today we are making some strawberry Nesquik frosting. Okay guys, we're starting off by warming up a 1/3 cup of milk. You want to make sure that it's nice and hot. Take this hot milk and put it into a bowl. We're gonna be making this frosting, as you read in the title, with this strawberry Nesquik mix. Oh my gosh, this reminds me so much of my childhood. Every time I smell it or taste strawberry Nesquik, I just could close my eyes and remember like I'm in my childhood years. You need 1.5 cups of this powder. And if you're thinking like, can I use other flavors? Of course the answer is yes. I have a video using chocolate Nesquik if you want to check that out. And also if you're wondering like, can I use other mixes like hot chocolate mix of another brand? That will work as well. Look at this color. Could there be any better color than this pink? Mix everything well, just until it's fully dissolved. Next, I'm taking 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and it's pretty soft to the touch. So just get that in there. And if your butter isn't really softened, I mean, you just have to put a little more elbow grease. The warm milk should soften it up. But just to make things easier, you can just leave it out like at least an hour before. So mix everything together. And last but not least, you're gonna add the powdered sugar. This is 2.5 cups. This frosting, it does crust around the edges, which I like because you could put saran wrap on top, like if you're gonna take these to a party or like to work or something, and you could take that plastic wrap right off the top and it won't destroy any like design that you made on top of your cupcakes or your cake. So this is what it looks like. The texture and consistency of this frosting, it's just perfect every time. I can't even believe it. Ah, and the smell. If you're wondering like what the chocolate version tastes like, the chocolate version of this Nesquik frosting, it tastes exactly like, you know those malt balls? It tastes exactly like that. And this one, as you would imagine, it tastes like more like strawberries and cream flavor. I have some cupcakes here. I just made these last night, so they're fully cooled. Now for the fun part, we're gonna frost these guys up. Look at the texture of this frosting. It's just wonderful. This frosting, guys, is extremely versatile. If you wanted it to be more light and airy, you would just put this in the freezer until it fully firms up, and then you would whip it on a high speed with your handheld mixer for about 10 minutes. But if you did want a more firm frosting, you know, to make like roses or any other type of piping flowers, you would just put it in the fridge and allow it to set. Now for the part that we have all been waiting for. This cupcake is ginormous. It's gonna take everything in me to not eat this whole thing. Here we go. Cheers, everyone. Whoa. I always say whoa after my first bite because I really mean it. Like, this is so yummy. It tastes exactly like strawberries and cream. What I would do with this next time is probably take some freeze-dried strawberries and then mix it in there so that it looks like there's real fruit in this strawberry frosting. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.